What is up, guys? Today with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Today I'm going to be talking about the 3 main social media platforms I've used to create successful stores and what other big dropshippers and other people have used to, get a lot of sales. So I'm excited to make this video talking about these 3. I'm sure you've heard of them. I'm going to go on my computer and show you guys exactly what's going on, what I'm talking about, all the details, and everything like that, how it works. But before we get in this video, guys, drop a comment. I want to know what your main goal is for this month, the month of April. I want to know what your main goal is, whether it's a monetary goal, a materialistic goal. I want to know what your goal for this month is. For me, one of my main goals for this month is to hit 50,000 subscribers on this channel. So if you're new, you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. It means a lot to me. We're growing this channel, growing the family. So I'm super excited to see this channel just blow up over this year. So now let's get here on my computer and show you guys sort of what's going on. Okay, so now we're on my computer here. The 3 major advertising methods on social media for dropshipping. So what I'm going to be talking about is solely just based off of dropshipping methods for advertising and putting your ad, your product, your company, and everything out there in order to make sales and get people to buy it. Because I'll make a video on this, but the major reason why people aren't making sales and they're just getting visitors is because they're putting their ad in the wrong people's faces. Not necessarily on these platforms, but within the targeting that they're doing for these pages. So the first one I'm talking about is the most traditional one you hear about for dropshipping, which is Instagram. Instagram influencers are a very big market right now for dropshippers. It could be cheap, it could be expensive, but it's pretty relatively easy compared to other methods like Facebook. So Instagram marketing is pretty easy. You contact an influencer, whether it's a themed account or a personal account. Personal influencers are going to charge a lot more than themed accounts. Sometimes they perform better because it's more personable, but sometimes themed accounts work better. So those are the 2 types, personal and themed accounts. But the way you purchase is super easy, honestly. All you have to do is, you contact them through DM, email, Kick Messenger, whatever it may be. And then you negotiate, you set a price, you send your ad, and then they post your ad on that specific time that you settled on. So the method is super easy, to contact, to get in touch with, and then schedule it, pay for it, and everything like that. It's pretty simple, but the main thing is your ad, is that gonna be profitable? Is the audience the right audience for you? I don't know. That's an answer for some other videos. This is just me talking about the platforms. But Instagram is a very good one to get started out with, because what I'll talk about with Facebook is a Facebook pixel, which basically collects data of everything that people take action on your website, and you collect that data with Instagram influencers, and then you use that data to target those same people and people like them with Facebook. So now let's get here into Facebook, which is the second one that I want to talk about, which is used for more detailed audience targeting. So what detailed audience targeting is when you're able to, put your ad in front of a very specific amount of people and people that have the very similar interests as in them. So you're able to, put your product in your ad, your website, your brand that are very likely to buy your product or products. But the thing is, you have to find that audience. And the way you do that is by utilizing your Facebook pixel by attaining data on Instagram and then using that data in order to put your product in front of the right people. So Facebook is very complex. I need to actually make more Facebook ad videos. I feel like I don't make too many of those. But Facebook is very, very useful. It's very scalable. And Facebook has actually shut down my ad accounts. They've been tracking me down for the past month. It's been super rough just because of, I'm not able to test all these ads, both for my personal brand and for my dropshipping stores. It's all very complex and stuff. So I'm trying to figure that out. I need to make a video on that actually, on what's going on with Facebook, why they shut me down, and how I'm getting out of it, and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, Facebook is probably one of the best ones. A lot of people use that because it's used in so many different ways. And from a dropshipping perspective, I'm going to talk about YouTube here of how you would do it. It's sort of similar to how you would do a personal influencer, themed influencer ad on Instagram. But YouTube, what I've noticed as a YouTuber, I have 40,000 subscribers. I'm not really a YouTuber yet. I guess you could call me a YouTuber, whatever. But what I've realized is that YouTube audiences are a lot more personable, a lot more engaged. Of course, depending on how active you are and if they like the content and stuff like that. But YouTube audiences, I feel like, are way more valuable than Instagram audiences or Twitter audiences, just because of it's more personal. This is you making a video, and the reason that they subscribe to you is because they like you, they like what you're doing, and they like your charisma and everything like that. So as that said, it's a lot easier for people to sell something to that audience and get them to buy it because it's more personable. If it's just Instagram, you've never talked to these people, you've never interacted really. It's just Instagram. They've seen your pictures and they've liked, they commented or whatever. But with YouTube, it's more personal because you're actually talking to the camera, and it gives that sense of personality where people can sort of relate and understand and feel like that YouTuber is talking to them. So the way you would utilize that YouTube channel for dropshipping is by contacting them. You set up a product placement. Basically what you would do, you would ship your product to that YouTuber, and then what they would do, that product, you want to find a YouTuber that's related to your actual store. So let's say it's a watch, don't sell watches, and you promote it on this YouTube channel for this guy. that makes videos about tuxedos or whatever. You know, there's so many different channels, different niches and everything like that. So let's say he makes videos on tuxedos. He makes them, he designs them and everything like that. So then here's this guy, you have this watch company, you know, that goes well with the whole menswear kind of thing. So you hit him up, he says, all right, it's gonna be $500 or $5,000, whatever it is, for this product placement in a video. So he says, all right, good deal, you pay for it, you send him the product, he gets it, he shows you, and then he makes a video about it on his YouTube channel, whether it's within a video, a normal video that he makes, or it's a whole video dedicated to that one product. So you know there's a lot of variables that go into all these marketing strategies. These are just the main platforms that I wanted to talk about because they're all very useful and have different methods, but these are the main ones I would say are good for dropshipping and just e-commerce overall. Facebook is the main one, definitely very important when it comes to actually scaling your business, because Instagram and YouTube, you know, you have to manage the connections with these influencers, you have to contact them, you have to make sure they posted the ad, you have to make sure they deleted it at the right time or whatever. But with Facebook, you know, you can scale it, set it sort of on autopilot, and once that's set on autopilot, then you're making money on autopilot and you're not doing any work. If you have VAs fulfilling the orders and customer service and that kind of thing, you know, no work is being done. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm just talking about the 3 major platforms for marketing on social media for dropshipping. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.